Assalamualaikum, welcome to Ramlahs kitchen. I Ramlah would like to thank all of you for supporting me. And now I'm going to do the Neii Urundai, that's called the Ghee Urundai. Now Ghee Urundai, I have 1 packet of this Ghee Urundai flour. Okay, I'm going to put 1 packet. Now this Ghee Urundai, sugar also is added, no? So if you want extra sugar, we can add extra sugar. Now I'm going to put in 1 cup of this moong dal, roasted moong dal. Okay. Moong dal. Okay. Then,
so that's plastic. How many kgs is plastic?
This one is
Right.
is 500 grams. Okay, if you want to add, then you can add extra moong dal. I've added extra moong dal, and then I'm adding sugar. Actually there is sugar here, but I'm adding a 1/4 cup of sugar, little bit sugar, because I like it sweet. Okay, then I need this cashew nuts, raisins, almonds, and this sesame seeds. Now I'm going to roast this. Okay. Now I'm putting 2 handful of sesame seeds. Now I have to roast the sesame seeds and put inside the flour. Okay, so I have to roast. Okay. To roast. Okay. Slightly you have to roast. Okay. Now I've roasted. I'm putting inside. Now I'm going to fry the cashew nut and the raisin. Put a little bit oil. Fry. Frying the raisins. The raisins, you have to heat up the raisin. In fact, put a little bit oil and roast the raisin. Okay. Now it's already roasted. Put inside. Okay. Now I'm going to roast the cashew nuts and the almond nuts. For this Ghee Urundai, it's nice we put this cashew nuts and raisin. We have to roast it. Here, put it inside. Put it inside. Now, I'm going to roast the cashew nuts. Must not burn the cashew nuts, just roast it. Okay. Okay. Now roasted. Put it inside. Put into the flour. Okay. Okay. Now I have to heat the oil, heat the ghee, because I have to catch 2 ghee balls. Okay. Okay, now I have put ghee inside, and now I have to let the ghee get hot. Wait for the ghee to be hot. Meanwhile, waiting for the ghee to hot, you have to stir everything. Okay. Then you put it in small bowls and fetch. Okay. When you pour into the flour, when the ghee when you pour, to know whether the ghee is cooked, it must have some bubbles. Now you see I'm pouring. You see when you're pouring, not cooked yet. When the ghee is cooked, it will have like a bubble, small bubbles. Now see again. Some more little more. Okay, so now the ghee is hot. Now I'm pouring. Okay, now you all can see the ghee is hot. So now the flour you have to mix. Okay, mix the flour so that you can catch it into round balls. Okay, small round. See, the flour all must be mixed together. Then only it's easy to flash. Put the flame small. Then you catch it. Okay. Now we see the whole flour is already coated with the ghee. Now we are going to catch into small rounds. See now. Still, I have to put a little bit more ghee. Actually, it's hot. Let it get cold first. Okay. Now we're going to catch. It's hot, so you must catch hot. Dip your hand into a flour and then catch it. Okay, that's it. Okay, now this is the Neii Urundai. That means this Ghee Urundai with lot of this are Cashewnuts, raisins, almonds all. I've already done this. I hope you all will try and give me your feedback. And also don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you.